Okay, you can import FBX and the OBJ file into AccuRIG. And as you can see, it tells you, okay, it's a better importing the T-pose. It's better A pose 1, A pose 2, or multi-mesh. It means it has lots of classes, accessory on it, or other scan to the model. The T-pose is better. I suggest to import such as these characters. I have a simple character here that I want to import it, that you can download it from the Actor course website. You can click here to import or choose a file, or simply click and drag here. Be careful about something. The limitation for import counting mesh is 600k poly count. It's limit. I imported a very large file and it's aborted. And it's importing your model and done. This is your model. In this part, you cannot do anything because you have to just load your character, check it, the model here. You have to define the symmetry part. The symmetry in this software is important for more accurate rigging, but you can rigging unsymmetrically model. But it's better to model T-pose and completely symmetrical. That's 99% of models in rigging animation is T-pose and symmetry. Or if not, you can say for symmetry. The center line, this is, you can click and drag it to define your center line, but don't forget, refresh it. The half of that, it means it's exactly the symmetry line. This is a symmetry line, you have to define it. If your model is not correct, you can rotate it in any direction or check it in any direction in a 3-axis. And it tells you, please center line at the middle of the hips. And if you have a rig data, mask, or any objects, any data that in a rig that I explain it later, you can import it here. If you have save it from file, save or AccuRIG. It's AccuRIG. It's accurate rigging. You can import that. In this step, you cannot do anything more. Just you can see the wireframe to check that wireframe is shaded or final render. And after that, you have to click rig body, go to body rigs. It's automatically create bone, rigs, and joints for you. And the navigation tools in software open and you can navigate it. It's very simple. With a left click, you can pan. With a right click, with a left click, you can rotate. With a left click, right click, you can pan. With a you can scroll to zoom in or out, or middle mouse button, click and drag up and down to zoom. Here it tells you, you can, if you want to create just with one click, with the left click, you can pan. With the left click, you can zoom. You have to select it. But if you want to use the files, if you want to use a multi navigation, you can activate this. These are separated tools. These are all tools together. Or if you want, you can holding Alt right click to rotate. For pan, you can right click or Alt left click. It's sometimes if you want. Scroll mouse, you can zoom in out. And here you can go to the front, you can go to the left, top, up, left, back. These are the navigation if you want to go exactly to your direction. But most cases we use left click and scrolling mouse, and with the left or right click you can pan and go to the zone that you want. That I explain it in next lesson to how to configure. But this software does its jobs perfect. Nice. Okay, this is navigation, and then you can go to the next level We have to, I explain some details here and then go into the rigging the hands. And after that, you can check animation and export. Done. This software is very easy. Let's go to the next lesson to explain what are these and how to configure them and the correct way. And what is the settings. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.